Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BNGO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day on this one, especially when you factor in just how strong things started off. Got the gap up, opening 30 minutes, very, very impressive. And then just like that, totally rolled back over. So much so that not only did it go back down to this area of support here that I've talked about in the past at $9.70, but the price actually broke down below it, which really just kind of was the cherry on top of how bearish things were. And that also brings about the first key update, and this is just based on a foundation rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So moving forward now, $9.70 is going to be that first key level of resistance. So if the price goes sideways and then starts to work its back upwards, that's where the first big question mark resides. Not necessarily can the price get back up to that level, but more importantly, can the price actually break above it and stay up above it? So you want to watch that closely. And if the price can, then the next key level you'd want to immediately turn your attention to is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average currently valid at, let's just call it the $10 mark. As far as areas of support, the level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching moving into Wednesday, and rightfully so, it's a very important level, is going to be right down here at $9.40. Because as you can see here, if 940 is not broken, then that all of a sudden puts the price in basically this kind of no man's land right here where you don't have the next level of support until all the way down there at that $8 mark. So definitely a very important battleground coming up here, but we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, anyway, look at it. Very disappointing day today, especially, like I said, when you factor in that opening 30 minutes. Crazy how fast things turned around, but now it's just a question of, can the price ultimately, stabilize and work its way back upwards? Let's see what happens with it on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.